Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix voice chat not working. So guys, watch till then as I discuss multiple solutions. So first one is just simply go to roblox.com and just simply sign in into your account. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to the settings on the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, just simply go to the settings. And after that guys, from here, just simply go for the privacy and content maturity over here. And now after that, just simply go for the communication. And guys, from here, you should be able to see voice chat. So guys, if you don't have a voice chat over here, you can watch the video in the description down below, and you should be able to access this feature. Now, make sure to enable the microphone over here. And now after that, guys, just simply go ahead and go to the home. Just simply join a world. So I'm going to go over here, for example, and I'm just going to join. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to the gear icon over here on the top left, and you can just simply tap on escape on the keyboard and just simply go to the settings over here. And after that, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here input device. So guys, make sure you select your microphone. And since I only have one microphone, I won't be able to have options. But if you do, just make sure you are on the right microphone or input device. And now just simply go for the output device, which is where the sound will come out. So make sure you have the right output device. So guys, another option that you have is just simply go to the people over here and make sure you are not on the mute all over here. So guys, make sure the mute all is not enabled. So make sure there are no red line over here. And now another option that you have is just simply go ahead and click on over here this icon and make sure you are not on mute. And from here, as you can see, my mic is working. So guys, another option that you have is just simply close the Roblox app. And after that, just simply click on close Roblox over here. And now from here, just simply click on the gear icon on the top right and just simply log out into your account. And after that, just simply go to the menu over here and just simply right click on it and go to the task manager. And from here, make sure there are no Roblox application over here. If you do, just simply click on it and click on end task. After that, just simply click on the homepage on the Roblox over here. Just simply log in into your account again. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. Now guys, if it still doesn't work, what you could try to do is just simply reinstall the Roblox player. So just simply search over here at the bottom left and go for apps and features and click on it. And after that, just simply click on the search this list icon over here. Search for Roblox. And after that, just simply click on it and click on uninstall. Click on uninstall. And after that, just simply uninstall the Roblox. And guys, after that, just simply open up the Roblox again and just simply go ahead and join an experience. Just simply go play over here. And now from here, just simply click on download and install. And from here, just simply click on this icon over here, show in folder, and just simply open the file. And after that, just simply wait for it to install. And once it is done installing, the Roblox player will automatically open up and just simply join an experience. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.